Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to delete cache files on Google Chrome. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to click and hold down on your Chrome icon. So I'm going to simply click and hold down and allow this to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on app info. Then it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on storage and cache. Then right here we have about 31 cache file, data user about 748 on this particular Chrome browser. What we need to do first is to make sure we click on clear cache file. Now cache file has been cleared. Another thing we can do right here is to clear all our data on this particular Chrome browser. And for you to do that, so we have about user data of 748. So for you to clear all your data from your Chrome on your phone, what you need to do is to simply click on clear storage. So it's going to take you right here. Now, these are all Google Chrome storage you have on your browser. Now, the first one here is unimportant data, and this is by Google. So you might click on free or space and uncheck some of the important data right here. And the next one here is all data stored by site, including cookies and other locally stored data. Site storage is about 1.86 gig right here. Then total one right here, total data used by Chrome, including accounts, bookmarks, saved, and settings. So you can simply click on clear all data, or better still, you can simply click on manage right here. And when you click on manage, it's going to take you right here. These are all data stored on your Chrome browser. So you can scroll down and check on all the sites. The more you scroll down, the more it's going to load out. This depends on how you use your Chrome browser. If you would like Google to delete, if you would like to delete all, simply click on delete all data right here, and everything right here is going to be wipe off in a few seconds. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to clear cache file and how you can delete all your data from Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.